Phoenix Police, this is Paige. How may I help you?
Hi, I just saw a video of one of your officers manhandling a black woman. I want you to hear my voice, and I want you to know that I pray that you die, you evil white.
Phoenix Police, this is Claire. How can I help you?
You Nazi pig motherfuckers. You dumb motherfuckers ever pull a gun on my kid? You motherfuckers are going to be in for it. Y'all are some piece of shit, bottom feeding, good for nothing, low down, Nazi, fascist pig. Phoenix Police, all y'all, I hope y'all all die and burn in hell.
Incident. We thank you for your phone call, and we're aware.
Phoenix Police, this is Andrea. How may I help you?
Hi, yeah, I just watched a new video of one of your cops assaulting a black mother. That guy should be shot dead. You cops are f***ing suck. You understand? You guys suck. You guys need some more better training. Okay?
Okay.
Would you agree? Would you agree?
I can give you the number to PSB if you would like to talk to somebody about that.
No, I just want all you piece of shit cops f***ing fired, honestly, and f***ing understand that you guys protect and serve. Did you watch the new video of your officer?
No, I did not.
You don't. You just take a look at it. Take a look at it.
Do you have an emergency where you need the Phoenix
No,
Police?
no. I do have I have an emergency with your f***ing police department. I want to beat the out of that cop. That's what I want to do.
Okay.
I want that f***ing cop to take his badge off and get his beat like he should.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Hope there's a f***ing bomb in your f***ing office too. Bye.